Hello everyone, and welcome to Standard Algorithm for double-digit multiplication. We've learned how to do lattice, we've learned how to do partial products, and now we're going to learn how to do standard algorithm. And your parents are probably going to be really pleased because this is the one they understand. This is the old school method. When they taught me and they taught your parents how to do multiplication, we only had this one method, so if you didn't get it, you were kind of lost. Now we learn more than one. In fact, we're learning three: lattice, partial products, and now standard algorithm. Pretty soon you can choose whichever one you want to use, whichever one makes you comfortable when you do it. I'm just looking at 67 times 49. The first number I'm looking at is 9, and we're going to call that our target number, if you remember from class. It's our target number. Why do we call it a target number? Well, we have to call it something. And I'm going to circle it so I remember that I'm using it. And I'm using my 9 now. And first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply that 9 times this number here, 7. And we're in 4th grade, so we know that 9 times 7 is 63. And I'm going to take that 3, I'm going to put it right here. Well, what am I going to do with the 6? Right? The 6 tens? Well, I'm going to carry it. I'm going to put it right here. Now I know that I'm going to have to add 6. I'm not done with my 9, my target number. I'm now going to multiply my 9 times 6. 9 times 6. 9 times 6 we know is 54, but I'm going to add 6, so I'm going to get 60. 54 plus 6 is 60, and I'm going to write 60 right here. Now, something interesting about my target number, I'm done with it, so I'm going to put a line through it so I know I don't need to use it anymore. But there's something a little more interesting, just as far as procedure is concerned. I don't need anything in this column after that 3 now. Okay, right here, I don't need any more. I don't need anything here. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put an X right there. Because now I'm working with my new target number, 4. Now you can choose to circle this 4 right now if you want, or not. I don't really care, because there are no numbers beyond it this way. If we had more numbers and it was like triple digit times triple digit, I would suggest circling the 4 just to know that that's the one you're working on. But since it's it's a remaining number of 2 numbers, 4 and a 9, that we can be multiplying, you can choose to circle it if you want. If you don't want to, that's fine as well. But now that I'm here, my target number is 4. I'm going to be starting underneath the 4 right here. So first thing I'm going to do is 4 times 7. 4 times 7. And we know that in 4th grade, that's 28. Now 28, I'm going to take my 8, put it here. 28. And the 2, well, I'm going to have to carry that, aren't I? I'm going to put that here. First thing I'm going to do is cross that out, and now I'm going to add 2. And I like to do the add 2 because even though this is a multiplication problem, we know we need to add that, all right? So the next thing we need to do is 4 times 6. We know that that's 24, but I'm not done because I have to add the 2. So 4 times 6 is 24 plus 2 is 26. I'm going to write 26 right here. And now it's just a matter of simple addition. 3 plus an X, or nothing really, is 3. 0 plus 8 is 8. 6 plus 6 is 12, so I'm going to put a 2 here and carry my 1. 1 plus 2 is 3, and the answer to 67 times 49 is 3,283. I hope that helped. Good luck with tonight's homework.